Motivation is overrated. Yep, I've said it. Some days I'm really motivated to hit the gym, but let's be honest, most of the times I'm not. So that's why I rely on routine, discipline, and some small habits to make sure that I am staying consistent and working out every single day. In today's video, I want to share some of these things with you on how I'm staying consistent in my 75 hard challenge and working out every single day. So let's dive in. It all starts with my morning routine. The first thing I do when I wake up is fill my 1 gallon water bottle. I gotta drink a gallon for 75 hard, so I try to fill it up early and get started. Then I head straight to the gym. If I don't go to the gym in the morning, I'll overthink it and eventually talk myself out of it. Now the next game changer for me to stay consistent is this 75 hard app. It has a checklist for everything I need to do. I can also set reminders that remind me throughout the day. And honestly, checking these things off gives me a sense of accomplishment. So it's really cool. Now, the next thing that's helped me stay consistent this time is meal prep. So every Sunday, I prep all the meals for the entire week, at least for lunch. And I do that because if I don't have meals ready, or at least part of the meals ready, then I'm really tempted to get junk food and not eat well and then skip out on meals. This is going to sound a bit controversial, but I like to take naps. Some people say don't take naps, but for me, a quick 20-minute just helps me recharge and makes such a huge difference for the rest of the day and to kind of just keep pushing. The next thing I like to do that's also helping me with workout number 2 is I like to go on a walk every single day, especially around lunchtime when the sun is shining. I listen to a podcast, kind of clear my mind and get my second workout in. Plus, I'm outside. It just helps kind of improve your mood and keeps you going. Now, the last thing, which is very important, is that you need to build a support system around you. I have a group of friends that all go to the gym and we text each other about our progresses, make fun of each other. It just kind of keeps you going and motivates you to do more. I'm also doing this challenge with my friend Adarsh, who we text every single day. We motivate each other, we push each other, and we hold each other accountable. So that's how I'm staying consistent during my 75 hard challenge. It's not about being motivated all the time. It's about staying disciplined, having a routine, and creating small habits so that way you're on it every single day. So if you're on your fitness journey just like I am, let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one.